Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones so you can get strong internet signal in every corner of your home. First, check your router placement. Put your router in a central and open location instead of a corner room. Wi-Fi signals spread in all directions, so better placement instantly improves coverage. Next, raise the router off the floor. Place it on a shelf or table to allow signals to travel more freely throughout your home. Now, remove common sources of interference. Keep the router away from microwaves, TVS, metal objects, and thick walls because these can block wireless signals. After that, adjust router antennas if your router has them. Keep one antenna vertical and another slightly angled to improve signal coverage across rooms and floors. If dead zones still exist, install a Wi-Fi extender or a mesh Wi-Fi system. Place the extender halfway between the router and the weak signal area for best results. Another effective method is using an old router as an access point connected with an Ethernet cable to extend coverage. Next, change your Wi-Fi channel inside router settings to avoid interference from nearby networks. Also, update your router firmware regularly to improve performance and stability. Finally, restart your router occasionally to refresh connections and maintain strong signal performance. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi dead zones should now be eliminated, and your internet coverage should feel much stronger. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more internet and tech tips. Thanks for watching.